Need to update your banking information? No problem. Here's a quick and simple guide to get you through it. First, log into your O'Neill Marketing Agent portal. Once you're in, scroll down to find the My Profile section. Under My Profile, locate the Personal Bank Information section. Click Edit and then click Send to proceed. Next, check your email. You'll receive a message titled Your O'Neill Marketing Forms. Inside, look for the section that's titled Direct Deposit Agreement. Under the title, it says Click Here. Give that a click. This will open a new tab where you can enter your updated account details. Be sure to fill out all the required fields accurately. At the bottom of the form, you'll need to provide your signature. If you're not happy with it, no worries. Just click Clear to redo it until it's perfect. When you're finished, click Submit and you're all set. Your banking information has been successfully updated. If you run into any issues or have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for keeping your information up to date.